about simple division of fractions. Today we're going to learn how to do it in an advanced way. Some harder questions like this. 2 by 10 divided by 9. Last time I also told you about a little word. Not a little word. It saved the day, remember? Called reciprocal. And you learned the steps. I hope you practiced and did my 3 steps. Okay, now you know what to do first. First, just write the number. Now what should we do with the symbol? You know what that means. Opposite, opposite. Yes, what is the inverse of division? Multiplication. And now, this is the tricky bit. And that is where it makes it a bit harder. 9. What should we do with this? You know, if it was about like 1 by 2, you know what to do. Reciprocal. First, we should turn this into a fraction. And you'll be like, how? It's a whole number. How can we make it into a fraction? Well, I always have some tricks up my sleeve. No, we don't have sleeve. Anyway, have you noticed that 3 by 1 is also equals to 3? 9 by 1 would equal to 9. So, it's easy now because all we have to do is put a tiny tick. This looks funny. Now it's 9 by 1. So we turn it into a fraction. Now let's do the opposite of it. Reciprocal. So it's 1 by 9. First we should, simplify the sum and then multiply. So first look crossways. There's nothing common here. Let's look this ways. Nothing common here. Let's look this ways. Nothing common here. What about these two? 2 and 10. We found it. 2 times what makes 10? Yes! 2 times 5. 1 and 5. So the fraction is simplified to 1 by 5. Now we should just do the simple multiplication. So 1 times 1 is 1. And 5 times 9. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 5 times 9 is 45. So the answer is 1 by 45. Wow! So let's look at this sum. 11 by 12 divided by 6. Now, what should we do with the first number? I think you got the hang of it. Just write it. And now what should we do with this? Yes, inverse. So, and what should we do with this? Make it a fraction. And what should we do with this again? After it's made into a fraction? Reciprocal. And now what should we do? Is there anything common? So, look at this. Not here. Look at this. There is not a single thing to simplify. Makes things harder, isn't it? But don't worry, we'll just have to multiply it, and that will be the answer. But 11 multiplied by 1, it's 11. And now 12 times 6. So, count with me. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. So, you can write 72. So what's the answer? 11 by 72. Wow! We made it like we always do. Hope you liked my video and hope you understood all this. And make sure to like, comment and subscribe. So see you later. Bye!